Hello friends, in this video we'll create table migration class file. Back to slide. As we had discussed inside Laravel basics concept that migrations are classes inside Laravel, by the help of that we can create table structure. So in this video we'll create employees migration class file. By the help of that we'll design employees table for our database. So let's go back to project terminal. I'm inside my project of phase 1. Let's create a migration class file. So php artisan make migration, and after that I will type create employees table. If I press enter, now we can see that migration class has been created inside database and migrations folder. Back to editor, go inside database, migrations, and if we go at the last of this file, then we can see our employees table. So here, as we know that inside our employees table, we need the columns as ID, name, email, phone number, age, and gender. So here, according to structure, we have the ID column. So we don't need these timestamps. So what I will do, I will go and remove that. Now next we need for the name field. So I will use table object, then call string method, and here name, and the length of this field, let's say 120 characters. Next, let's say table, we'll have the next field as string, and inside this string method I will pass the column name as email, and the length of this field, let's say 50 characters. Now next, let's use table object, and this time we'll define again string method, and this time the column name will be called for the phone number. 50 characters is okay, and also this field is not required. It means this field is optional. Either we can accept any value if user will pass, otherwise null value will be okay. So here I will use one more method, that is nullable. So once we add this nullable method, it means that this phone number also will accept null value. Now after this phone number, we need the next field as I think age. So here let's table object will call integer method, and here I will pass the column name called age. Next we need for our gender field, so table object inner method, and here we need to pass the column name called gender, pass an array, and inside this array we need to pass all allowed values. So we only accept inside gender field called male value, female value, and other. So successfully, now we have created a table structure for employees. Inside this employees table, we'll have the columns as ID, name, email, phone number, which is optional, age, and gender. So save all these changes. Back to terminal, I will use php artisan migrate command. So once we use migrate command, so it will migrate all the migrations of application which yet not migrated. Press enter. Now as we can see that all the migrations now completed. Go to our database, click on structure. Now as we can see that all the tables created along with our employees table. Click on employees table, go to structure. So here we can see ID, which is a primary key generated using ID method. So ID, primary key, unsigned, and auto increment. Next we have the fields as name, email, phone number, age, and gender. So successfully, by the help of this video, now we have created a table for this first phase of API development, that is employees. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.